All right, class, we are on page 51. 51. We are on our bottom left-hand box, and this is lesson M-3. M-3. All right, our first word is math. Write it and mark it. Remember, if you're not sure, you can always do it on your practice paper first. All right, the next word is music. What's the first syllable? Good, mu. And the second syllable? Good, zik. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, now class, I just briefly want to mention, we know that usually at the end of a word we have line letter k or we have two-letter k. There's actually a suffix that's ik, like magnetic, and other words too, I can't remember right now, but that is, that one's a suffix. So that's why occasionally we'll see this, but we know almost always at the end of a word it's line letter k or two-letter k. This is an exception because it's a suffix. All right, our next word is tax. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, the next word is fill. Remember, what rule do we use at the end of fill? Good, we use our floss rule. We often double F, L, or S after a single vowel at the end of a one-syllable word. All right, the next word is stand. All right, again, there's nothing to mark in that one. And the last word is stood. All right, which do we use in stood? Good, All right, say the sounds while you write them. All right, and if you're not finished, pause the video before I have you check your work. All right, great. These are our words for today. So now we'll write some sentences. Since our words were pretty easy and short, we're going to write 3 sentences. Our first sentence. All right, and so remember, after you write it, put your pencil down, then read it and check it. All right, we don't want to just think we've checked it, but if we haven't actually stopped to go back and read every word. All right, our first sentence is, I need to pay my taxes. I need to pay my taxes. Class, what's the sentence? Good, I need to pay my taxes. So write that. You can pause the video, write it, and then check it. All right, our next sentence is, did you stand in a long line? Did you stand in a long line? All right, so this one, listen to what kind of sentence it is to see what kind of end mark you need. Did you stand in a long line? All right, you can pause the video while you write it and then check it. Our last sentence, so if you haven't finished writing and checking the last one, go ahead and pause the video till you have. Our last sentence. She has filled the cup 3 times. She has filled the cup 3 times. All right, class, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.